Be honest, how often do we really think about the spaces in which we're placing our sounds? Well, we really need to, and on this course, that's exactly what we're going to do. Welcome to Essentials Reverb. Let's explore the science behind reverb. What actually happens as sound energy moves through a space? What is the difference between algorithmic and convolution reverb? How much is too much when it comes to reverb? What are the different types of reverb and what do they sound like? Throughout this course, I'm going to help you explore how you can find the best choices of reverb for your productions. So often, the three-dimensionality that we hear in the records and the mixes that we love comes down to reverb choices. And on this course, we're going to explore them all, from supernatural spaces into the stratosphere.